What is up, guys? It's your boy Falcon back again, and in this video I'm going to show you how to reset your change oil light on your Chevy HHR, so stay tuned. Alright guys, so here we are inside the Chevy HHR now. We did the oil change. This is a 2006, but pretty much all HHR is the same thing. There is two different ways that you can do your oil reset. You can do it right here with the buttons on the steering wheel, or you can just press the gas pedal. This is actually a faster way just by hitting the gas pedal. So here, let me show you. So here we are. You can see that we are at oil life 0%. You can scroll through these, and I think you hit them like both of them at the same time. You release it, you press enter, and it resets the oil life. But this is faster actually. So we turn it off. We go to the on position. We hit the gas pedal 3 times all the way to the bottom. I did it 4 times. Then I go back. There it goes, reset. Alright, so there it goes, that plain and simple. You turn on the key to the on position. You slam your gas pedal within 5 seconds 3 to 4 times, and then you turn it back off. Then you turn it back on to the on position, and your oil life is reset. That is it, plain and simple. Alright guys, so I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe, hit that bell for me, share the channel. I will catch you guys on my next video. Thank you for watching. You guys have yourselves a great day.